Are you ready to explore effective team communication? This lesson reveals strategies to ensure your messages are understood and foster a positive environment. Let's dive into the art of clear communication. Clear communication is essential for any successful team. It helps prevent misunderstandings, builds trust and respect among members, and ultimately boosts productivity and morale. Without it, teams can face unnecessary conflicts and setbacks. By focusing on clarity, teams can enhance collaboration and achieve their goals more efficiently. Let's look at what makes communication effective. Barriers like assumptions, misinterpretations, poor listening, and unclear instructions can easily disrupt team communication. Recognizing these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. Teams must actively work to identify and address these issues. By doing so, they can create a more open and understanding environment. Let's explore how to set clear expectations. Begin by defining clear team goals and roles. Make sure everyone understands their responsibilities and knows how to communicate within the team. Establishing communication channels early helps prevent confusion. This foundation supports a smoother workflow and stronger team dynamics. Now, let's choose the right tools for communication. Select communication tools that suit your team's needs. Use email for formal updates, chat apps for quick questions, and video calls for in-depth discussions. The right tools can greatly enhance communication efficiency. They ensure that everyone stays informed and connected. Let's move on to crafting clear messages. When communicating, be concise and specific. Use simple language and avoid jargon to ensure everyone understands your message. Clear messages reduce the risk of misinterpretation. They foster a more efficient and productive team environment. Let's encourage two-way communication for better engagement. Encourage two-way communication by inviting questions and feedback. Listen actively and show that you value everyone's opinions. This approach helps team members feel heard and respected. It also promotes a culture of openness and collaboration. Let's confirm understanding to ensure clarity. After sharing information, summarize the key points and ask for feedback or questions. Make sure everyone is on the same page before moving forward. This step prevents misunderstandings and keeps the team aligned. It reinforces the importance of clear communication. Let's explore the use of visual aids next. Visual aids like charts, diagrams, task lists, and shared documents can help clarify complex information and keep everyone aligned. They provide a visual representation that complements verbal communication. This method enhances understanding and retention of information. Let's adapt our communication styles to our team's needs. Adapt your communication style to fit your team's diversity. Adjust your tone and approach, and always respect cultural differences. This flexibility fosters inclusivity and understanding. It ensures that all team members feel valued and respected. Let's handle remote team communication effectively. For remote teams, schedule regular check-ins, use video calls to build connection, and be mindful of different time zones. These practices help maintain team cohesion and engagement. They ensure that remote members feel included and connected. Let's give clear instructions to enhance task execution. When assigning tasks, break them into clear steps, provide examples, and confirm that everyone understands what's expected. Clear instructions lead to better task execution and fewer errors. They empower team members to perform their roles effectively. Let's encourage open feedback to further improve communication. Open feedback encourages continuous improvement and innovation. Foster a safe environment where team members feel comfortable sharing feedback, suggestions, or concerns. It strengthens trust and collaboration within the team. Let's manage group discussions to maximize productivity. In group discussions, set clear agendas, keep conversations on track, and encourage everyone to participate. Effective management of discussions leads to more productive outcomes. It ensures that all voices are heard and considered. Let's address miscommunication swiftly to maintain team harmony. If miscommunication happens, address it quickly, clarify any misunderstandings, and use it as a learning opportunity for the team. Prompt resolution prevents conflicts and promotes understanding. It helps the team learn and grow from mistakes. Let's celebrate team successes to boost morale. Recognize and celebrate your team's achievements. Sharing positive feedback motivates everyone and strengthens team spirit. Celebrations acknowledge hard work and foster a positive environment. They encourage continued effort and dedication. Let's focus on continuous improvement in communication. Regularly review your team's communication practices. Ask for suggestions and implement improvements to keep growing together. Continuous improvement ensures that communication remains effective and efficient. It fosters a culture of learning and adaptation. Let's go over quick tips for clear communication. Stay present and attentive during team interactions. Avoid multitasking and always summarize discussions to reinforce understanding. These tips help maintain focus and clarity. They enhance overall communication effectiveness. Let's look at a real-world example to see these strategies in action. Imagine launching a new project. By assigning clear roles, providing regular updates, and encouraging open feedback, your team can achieve great results. This example highlights the importance of structured communication. It demonstrates how clear communication leads to success. Let's practice communicating a team update now. Try preparing a brief update for your team. Share it, then ask for feedback to see how clearly your message was understood. This practice helps refine your communication skills. It provides valuable insights into how your team perceives information. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this lesson. Remember, clarity is key in team communication. Encourage open dialogue and adapt your approach to fit your team's unique needs. These principles are fundamental for effective collaboration. They ensure that communication remains clear and purposeful. Let's discuss the next steps to enhance communication skills. Start applying these strategies in your daily work. Observe how your team improves and keep building your communication skills. Continuous practice leads to mastery and better team dynamics. It fosters a more cohesive and efficient team environment. Let's conclude this lesson on effective communication. Congratulations! You've completed this lecture on communicating clearly with your team. You're now ready to take your communication skills to the next level.